Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to start from the very beginning with an introduction to HTML, the backbone of web development. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard language used to create web pages. HTML provides the structure of a web page, allowing us to organize content such as text, images, and links in a meaningful way. Let's start by looking at the basic structure of an HTML document. Every HTML document starts with a doc-type declaration, followed by the HTML tag which wraps the entire content of the page. Inside the HTML tag, we have two main sections, the head and the body. The head section contains meta information about the document, such as its title and links to style sheets. The body section contains the actual content that will be displayed on the web page. Now, let's create our first HTML page. Open your code editor and type the following code.
You've been shot at, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. You're my shooting star. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. You're the picture perfect, you're on my mind. Your love's underrated. Deep in my heart, I know you're irreplaceable.